Creation of Adam, the first man. In the heavens, Allah informed his angels that he had decided to place a vicegerent on earth who would reside there from generation to generation. The angels were not too pleased with Allah's announcement, as they were aware that the jinns who existed on earth previously had corrupted the land and caused ample bloodshed. And mention, O Muhammad, when your Lord said to the angels, "Indeed, I will make upon the earth a successive authority." They said, "Will you place upon it one who causes corruption therein and sheds blood, while we declare your praise and sanctify you?" Allah said, "Indeed, I know that which you do not know." Allah molded the first man using a handful of clay gathered from various parts of the earth and made him in his picture. Narrations state that due to the different types of clay that were used for the creation of the first man, the children of Adam are diverse in their complexions and other physical characteristics. It is also reported Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has said that Adam, peace be upon him, was created at a height of 30 meters. According to a Sahih Muslim hadith, Adam was created by Allah after Asr on a Friday. The first man remained a mere clay figure for a period of 40 years. Each time the angels passed by the figure, they were overcome with fear. Iblis was the most fearful of the new creation. Consumed by a mixture of curiosity and envy, Iblis would strike the figure, which would emit a sound similar to that of striking a clay pot. Allah stated in the Quran, He created humankind from sounding clay like pottery. Surah Ar-Rahman 55:14. Kindly watch the next episode. Angels prostrate before Adam. If you find this interesting, please kindly subscribe to support this page.